Good morning, ma'am. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year to each one of you. May this year be a good one for all of us. Last
Good
year,
morning,
everybody
ma'am.
has good morning, children. Okay, I think last time we were discussing letters. Did we discuss SOP?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did we discuss acceptance letter? Yes. Nobody remembers anything, right, children? Uh, One second. Types of letters. Okay. Did we discuss job application and resume? How do you draft the resume?
No,
Hello?
ma'am.
No? Okay. So we'll do that later. First, we'll just wind up the smaller topics so that what is an acceptance letter? SOP refers to statement of purpose. That is, when you are trying to get into some foreign university, you need to give a short kind of a biography about your achievements, what all you have done in the past, so that you get into or you get admitted to that particular course. That is statement of purpose. Now we are discussing letter of acceptance. What is an acceptance letter? Acceptance letter is very, very simple. You have been called for a job interview. You go there, you get selected, and then you receive a letter, that is a call letter, sorry, your appointment letter. Once you receive the appointment letter, it is mentioned in the appointment letter that you are supposed to join by so and so date. Once you receive the appointment letter, you write an acceptance letter to the company, thanking them for having given you this opportunity of being able to work over there. So that is called as acceptance letter. Okay, is everybody getting it? It is just a thank you letter that you are drafting to the employee or employer. Whom are you going to write? If you are writing an acceptance letter, who are you? Again, everybody is sitting like Nirguna Brahmams. Am I
Employee.
audible? Yes, you are the employee, future employee. You have been given this opportunity and you are thanking them for having given you this opportunity. So, letter of acceptance. Thank you, letter, for having received the job. You state that you would join the job on the date and time mentioned in the letter for you to join. Is my voice audible to you, children? Is there any disturbance or some cracking, voice cracking or breaking in between?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
okay.
ma'am.
Because
No,
here
ma'am.
I am getting an information stating that the sound quality is bad. That's why I asked you. Okay. So you are writing a thank you letter to your future employee, sorry, employer, saying a thank you letter is an acceptance letter. So when you write an acceptance letter, you just write dear sir or dear madam, because you already know who your boss is. So the salutation will be fixed, either dear sir or dear madam. Okay, so you will be writing and telling, you just tell them that I'm very excited, I'm uh, and you're very happy that you have got the opportunity, the golden opportunity to work in that particular organization. You feel very, very excited, and that you are looking forward to joining the organization, and you tell them that you'll be joining on time. That is the acceptance letter. Then we have the letter of appreciation. What is appreciation letter? Now, as an employee, you're working in an organization, you receive awards and you achieve something. Many a times, your bosses uh, give you an appreciation letter for the efforts that you have put in, for what you have achieved. So it's written by a superior to a subordinate for achieving success or for receiving awards up or promotion in a job. Okay, so letter of appreciation is written by a superior to a subordinate for achieving success or for receiving awards or promotion in a job. That is appreciation. So who is writing this? Will it be dear sir, madam? Think and tell me. In letter of appreciation, what will be the salutation?
The name of the subordinate.
Very good. The name of the subordinate, the person who is working under you. Of course, appreciation letter is always written by a superior to a subordinate, by the bosses to the employees, by the higher ups to their subordinates. So don't forget this. So directly, if Mansi has achieved something, I'll be writing dear Mansi. If Siddesh has achieved something, I'll be writing dear Siddesh. If Pratiksha has achieved something, I'll write dear Pratiksha. So directly, that is letter of appreciation. Okay, so you will write dear Radha as I've given here. Then name of employee in the salutation and regards in complimentary close. So as a boss, you're going to give them best regards for their achievements, and you're wishing them all the best, and you hope that they will continue achieving success. Then letter of recommendation. What is recommendation letter? As I've told you children, last time I was discussing, if you are planning to go abroad, you need to submit LORs, that is letter of recommendation. That is, you can take it either from your teachers or your bosses or the principal, somebody who knows you really well. Okay, and they ask you, especially taking it from your teachers, your principal will definitely help you because they are the ones who know you quite well, and their letter of recommendation means a lot. So in that they write what kind of a student were you, what you have achieved, all these things. So if you wish to study or work abroad or in a reputed company or institution anywhere in India, then certain reputed companies expect you to submit few LORs, that is letters of recommendation. That is somebody is recommending you. Sifarish, what you say? Proposing your name, saying that, you know, I have no hesitation in recommending this person. This person would be an asset to your organization. Okay, so that is a letter of, sometimes even the bosses recommend you. Like you are working, it is obvious that bosses never like good employees to leave them. But at times, certain bosses are really have a huge heart, have a big heart, and they usually give recommendation letter to their employees because they want them to grow in the world in their career. Because if they find that there is not much scope for growth in the company that they are working, then they wish all the best for their employees and they want them to achieve success, and hence they write letters of recommendation even for their employees who are working with them. They do write, suppose something good is going to come up for you and they are very happy for your success, then they will give you a letter of recommendation. Then letter of resignation. Okay, what is a letter of resignation? If you wish to leave a job for any reason, You know, everybody knows what is resignation letter. So if you wish to leave a job for any reason, like the better job opportunities, the thing, health issues, shifting of residence, I've given all the reasons that you may resign a job for. See, as you can see on the screen, health issues, shifting of residence, marriage, pregnancy, especially with regards to women. Okay, they've given birth to a baby, delivering, rather than giving birth, I'll write delivery. Many a times today, a lot of corporates even give paternity leave to the fathers, because it's a combined responsibility. And today we have nuclear family, so it's very difficult to take care of the entire family all alone for a female. So they do give paternity leave. Then sabbatical. What is sabbatical? As I have written here, you would be able to read. See, children, lot of people, they work in an organization for quite a long time. Okay, and they work in a particular field for a long period of time. Then after a point of time, they feel that I am they might be achieving success or whatever, they might be earning a lot of money, but then after a point of time they feel that something is lacking in their life. They need to achieve something more, they need to change their field. So such a thing is known as a sabbatical. When you willingly take a break from the work that they are doing, it could be due to harassment from some superiors, etc. Okay, willingly taking a break from the work that you are doing is called as a sabbatical. So sabbaticals are taken, see, sabbatical and retirement are two different things. VRS is when you resign from your job voluntarily, you don't want to work any longer. But this is, you're changing your entire field or course. In such a case also you resign from the job. And sometimes you would also leave due to some harassment from some superiors. So all these are reasons that a person resigns. That is a resignation letter. Always remember, when you draft a resignation letter, never say that I'm fed up of working in this organization, such a hopeless organization. If given a chance, I would never work in such an organization. Never say all this. When you are leaving, leave in such a manner that you know it is true that when you leave the organization, you will always speak the truth. And since you are leaving, you can say whatever you want. But then I would advise you, even when you draft your resignation letter, of course, if you have been troubled so much, then no. But otherwise, if you have had a normal time in that company, then don't write too many bad things when you are leaving. Write in such a manner that people will remember you for a long period of time. So that way you should write your resignation letter. That you should tell them that you are leaving and you'll be available for them any point of time, and that it was a learning experience. See, children, always remember, wherever you work, sometimes the experience will be good, sometimes the experience will be bad. Good experiences become memories, bad experiences teach you something in life. It's like a stepping stone to success. They have, bad experiences teach you much more than your normal this thing. Okay, so you can write or resign in such a manner that nobody feels offended, and nobody feels upset. In fact, they should feel that they are feeling upset that you have left the job, you've left the company. Okay, so these are the types of letters that we were discussing. So you have to remember statement of purpose, acceptance letter, your appreciation letter, recommendation, and resignation. Everybody is clear with these types of letters, and it will be asked in the exams as fill in the blanks also, and you should be able to identify what kind of letter it is. Another letter that you need to know, it may not be asked in the exam from the study perspective, but you need to know that is a letter of appointment. Everybody knows what is the meaning of appointment. Appointment means when you are appointed for a particular post. So rules and regulations about the company is mentioned there, salary is mentioned, holidays are mentioned, then whether the job